CBSE has officially made Hindi as compulsory language from class 9 from July 1st. Even Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is protesting about this. But the reality is protest or no protest. Your child has to sit in the exam hall and they have to write their Hindi exam and the marks will reflect in their final percentage. So if you are a Tamil, Telugu, Kannada or Malayalam student or parent, don't skip this video. CBSE released an official circular confirming about the three language policy. It means that every class 9 student have to study three languages. And here the South Indian students who are studying in English medium school, that Hindi language is a compulsory language. And this is not a rumor. CBSE has officially released the circular and it will reflect on your child's CBSE certificate. Now, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has publicly called this compulsory Hindi. He questioned if South Indian students has to study Hindi as compulsory language, then what about North Indian students? Will they study Tamil, Telugu or Kannada? The answer is no. Here the anger is completely valid. But here is what I want every South Indian student or parent to think. Fighting with a system takes years and your exam is just within a month and we can't afford to wait. Here the real problem is about the North Indian and South Indian students. North Indian students, they grow up while speaking Hindi, people speaking Hindi around them, but for South Indian students, Hindi is like a foreign language for them. Nobody speaks Hindi at home, nobody practices it with friends, and even the Hindi teacher comes and explain everything in Hindi, which makes absolutely zero sense to the student who doesn't understand Hindi. So here what students do, they mug up the answer without understanding. Then when the exam comes, their mind goes blank and here the marks suffer. This is not the student's fault. This is actually a system failure, but we can't beat it. So, what you should do starting today? Three things. First one, number one, don't panic. Hindi is one of the easiest language which I know. Hindi is one of the easiest language to score. Perhaps there should be someone who can make you understand it properly. I have seen many students failing to score in Hindi to get 85 plus in Hindi. So, what actually happened? They just changed the way how they study it. Now, number two, focus on what only CBSE asks. We don't need conversational Hindi or any Bollywood Hindi. We just you need Samas, Sandhi, Karak, letter writing, essay writing, comprehension. That's it. That's what actually CBSE asks. This is your entire exam. Very beatable, very focused, and very specific. Now, number three, start from this week itself. Start preparing yourself. Every week you give 20 to 30 minutes. Every single week from now matters. Even 20 to 30 minutes of preparation every day can completely transform your Hindi score. The students who will start now will thank themselves in the exam hall. And this is exactly why I created Hindi Simplified X channel, where I explain Sandhi, Samas, Karak, like with very focused way, explain everything in simple English. Just clear exam focused questions which will make sense to South Indian students. No Hindi medium, everything is explained in English. Simple English, plain English. So, starting from this week, I am going to cover all the topics one by one so that when your child walks into the exam hall, they will be exam ready. So, if you want your child to score well in Hindi exam, subscribe to Hindi Simplified X, turn on the notification, share this with every South Indian parents you know because most of them even don't know that this circular has come yet. So don't wait till July. Let's crack Hindi together.